Well, thanks for watching another video. This one is maintenance on a 150 outboard Honda. Poppet valve. The mysterious poppet valve. What is this thing? Why do we have to worry about it? Well, it turns out that this is a pressure relief valve, actually. Poppet is what they call it, but it's used to regulate the amount of pressure in the motor as you come up in RPM. The poppet valve stays closed when you're at idle, and then there's a spring that keeps it closed. As RPM picks up, pressure inside the motor picks up from the cooling, and so this opens up to relieve that pressure and to keep from blowing out gaskets and hoses and whatnot. This diagram is from boats.net, and here are the parts and the part numbers, the poppet itself, and then there's a gasket that should probably be replaced along with it. You're not going to be doing this very often, so you might as well get it all at once. As with anything in the cooling cycle, this poppet valve can become obstructed or corroded depending on where you're using this motor, and over time it can become less and less functioning. The gasket can go bad. So it's a routine maintenance thing. If your motor's overheating, it could be one of the problems associated with that overheating. Since this thing is tucked well away and at the bottom of the power head, you've got to take off that starboard side panel. You can start the back and pop off those little tabs that hold that trim plate on there, and that'll come off and expose several of the screws that are holding the two panels together. Just a Phillips head on that, and then everything else is either a Phillips head or a 10mm. So it's all pretty good there, but it's a little bit again the Easter egg hunt of trying to find all these different hiding places for all these screws. As you get this panel off, but the whole side panel has to come off in order for you to get in any of this. There's a tab at the very top one. When you pull the bolt off, you'll see it exposed. That's kind of one of the last little tricks to get it off. The front has a little screw that's kind of hidden, but it's a Phillips head, so that's one of the last ones. You're ready to pull that panel free. It kind of holds up a little bit in a channel, but once you get it freed up, you can kind of just leave it off to the side. Okay, so here, cleverly hidden away, is the poppet valve. There's a couple bolts, 10mm bolts, and all these hoses in the way. I'm going to go ahead and get some of the hoses off just to check them, make sure they're clear, and so I can get at those bolts, which are hard enough as is. And that back bolt especially, it's a 10mm, but it's hard to get to. I had to have a flex extension on my socket to be able to break that free, but it does come out. And you can see from this photo that it would take some cleaning to get ready to reassemble this thing. Don't scrimp on that. And as you reassemble, remember that the gasket goes down, the spring will be up, facing up at you. Okay, so when you're putting this back together, make sure you use a little bit of the anti-seize lubricant. Make sure that you get it on the threads, not on the bottom of the bolt, because that will keep it from sealing, bottoming out. And some gasket dressing on that gasket would help. And finally, you want to test it up at a higher RPM to make sure that you've got no leaks on any of those hoses or connections or the seal against the valve. Well, hopefully this gave you some encouragement to try this little maintenance item. Not really too difficult once you get that side panel off, and it's not a bad idea to look at these things. I had about 600 hours on the boat when I went and did this, and there was a little bit of stuff to clean up, and I feel more confident now that it's done and I know that it's in good shape and it's running. Well, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. That really helps me out on the channel. Thanks.